So that's that's kind of like a build up towards going faster. You're not doing slow anymore. Like that. It's raising. I don't know. I call it raising the beat. I don't know how to explain it, but it's basically you're going faster, but you're not going faster yet. But you're adjusting the beat in such a way that you're more flowing towards going faster. So then probably it goes back into like the left rela kind of. But then usually when it's double, like Hare Krishna, then I do the, alright, it's like, so it is not always the same. Like sometimes he'll go into 6-beat. So, but other times, if it's going really fast, probably the fastest it goes. At least Damodarastakam. Because then from there he either go into double or 6, or maybe he might go back in a different tune too. I don't know. But in that video, I'll probably just send it to you. The other video he just goes into 6. Good. So, yeah, that's kind of the progression of how it goes. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it'll go fast on the rela if it's like a stretch. Like, say if you're doing really fast. like that. So like, sometimes there's a breakdown, so you kind of have to. It depends who's singing, you know. Not everybody knows how to do that, but it's nice if you can catch that going from. So they have to be fast. Then the real one again. There's a different way to play them. I found, for me, that was the easiest way of replicating that. But you can change it as you like, you know. So that's kind of the progression in Hare Krishna and like that. And like I said, it depends who's singing, you know. But from what I've heard, you know, listening a lot, that's, you know, how it goes. So now I'll try and do some T highs.